Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need an iPad with compatible iOS and a Carplay-capable head unit or adapter. Once ready, connect physically. Plug a certified Lightning or USB-C cable into your iPad, then into the vehicle's USB port labeled with a phone icon. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on in settings so the iPad can pair when required. If the car asks to allow CarPlay, tap Allow. These steps start the secure handshake, so you can get the interface on the screen quickly. Once connected, choose CarPlay on the vehicle display and select your iPad if prompted. On the iPad, go to Settings General CarPlay to customize app layout. Drag commonly used apps into the main screen so they are immediately accessible. Use Siri for safe, hands-free control. Press the voice button or say Hey Siri if enabled, because voice reduces distraction. Tap icons for maps or audio or control playback with steering wheel buttons. These steps get your driving tasks simplified and focused. To finish, end navigation, stop audio, and unplug only when the vehicle is safely parked. Abrupt disconnection can confuse the head unit. If CarPlay fails to appear, restart the iPad and the car infotainment system. This clears temporary communication errors. Make sure the Lightning/USB-C cable is Apple certified and not frayed, and verify iOS is up to date. If setting screen time restricts CarPlay, turn that off for your device. These actions resolve most issues quickly and get you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.